Hi friends, welcome to my personal mastery session on living in communal harmony. In a world increasingly becoming complex and competitive, who has the time and inclination to disturb the communal harmony except the mischievous? Why I took up this discussion is because I think that in any country, maintaining communal harmony is important for personal mastery as it leads to improving your personal peace and productivity. What do you understand by communal harmony? Communal harmony is the principle of peace and harmony between religious communities where citizens not only tolerate each other's religion but are respectful to others' belief and faith. They shun violence and hatred based on religious differences. In essence, people of different faiths freely practice their religious beliefs, and there is no discrimination by the state on religious grounds. I always tell people that they never had the privilege of choosing their religion or family of birth before they were born. So to be inimical of the other is not only unnatural but also defies humanism. What if they were born in a religious denomination they feel strongly against today? Nobody gets an opportunity to tell the Almighty that one desires this continent, that country, and this particular family to be born into? No. Many people define it as karma. Many call it an accident of birth. So the only mandate we have here is to do good without discriminating against any person on grounds of religious faith. The advantages of such a system are tremendous to any country. Peace becomes the bedrock for development. Appreciation of others' faith and cultures increases. Diversity makes life more interesting. Society becomes homogeneous. Productivity of individuals and organizations grows as they become free from such disturbances. Chances of good governance by the national government improves. Atmosphere of violence and hate goes out of the system. We protect our future generations from this disease. Swami Vivekananda says, as so many rivers having their source in different mountains roll down crooked or straight and at last come into the ocean, so all these various creeds and religions, taking their start from different standpoints and running through crooked or straight courses, at last come unto thee. Thank you.